Abantu besifazane were the problem, and ukugxisha isipikilo ushayelele was the only solution. It's all called ilepotomy. The truth shall set you free. So lalela mntu omnyama asiqale ilepotomy ngene ngikholo. Let's go back asibuyele emuva. What is ulebonotomy? Lobolutomy, Ilepotomy. Understand ukuthi it is a surgical procedure ehlukanisa i-frontal lobe of ingqondo yakho. I-frontal lobe ekuyiyona yona responsible for i-personality, i-judgment, ama-emotions, i-planning, ne-decision making. Without yona awukwazi ukuthi ube wena. Isingisi esingaka 0 yini i-frontal lobe. Understand ukuthi ingqondo inama-section, i-brain inama-section, and le part engaphambili that is protected by isiphongo, the forehead, is called a frontal lobe. Iyona lesikhuluma ngayo right now. Let's go back asibuyele emuva even further. Once upon a time there was a Portuguese neurologist and igama lakhe was u-Antonio Icus Moniz. This is Anthony Moniz. Uyena muntu obonwa eziqhawe, uyena muntu who invented ilepotomy owayiqala lento. I-dream yakhe was ukusiza abantu faster, more efficiently, and so waqhamuka nento yokuthi akufakwe isipikilo kushayelelwe and then lowo muntu uzoba right. One of the most controversial facts in medical history is that Moniz was awarded the 1949 Nobel Peace Prize for a contribution yakhe, invention yakhe yelepotomy kwi-medicine. Wathola i-Nobel Peace Prize. Yes, wathola i-Nobel Peace Prize. This is Walter Freeman. He is the problem lana. Uyena muntu owamsunguliwe inkinga zonke ezweni. And understand, Walter Freeman was a neurologist, yes, kodwa he was not a neurosurgeon. Ikhumbule lento, ube udokotela wengqondo kodwa bengavumelekile ukuthi enze isurgery yengqondo kubantu because wengakufundele lokho, wengekho ready for lento. How is Walter the problem la? And understand, Walter wabona i-invention ya Moniz, which is ilepotomy. After that yena wacabanga, wahlala phansi wayibuza ukuthi lento angayenza kanjani imbenefitsise yena futhi ayenze faster, and so he invented lezinto lezi. Hlakanipha ke mntu omnyama and understand ukuthi ngo-1946 uWalter invented i-transorbital lepotomy. Le kuyiyona yona la khona he would insert induku yakhe ende through ihlo, through imbobo ehlweni, afike aya directly to i-frontal lobe, and then athathe isandu ashayelele. Once eseshayelelile wafika phakathi kwi-frontal lobe aqeda xukusi. For years uDr Walter eyenza lento. Enzani? Afika bizwe if wena umuntu osifazana ohluphayo, if wena umuntu osifazana onamamuthi, umuntu osifazana othethayo, umndeni would call uDr Walter. Afika uDr Walter akhipha into yakhe ayifake through imbobo ehlweni iye directly kwi-frontal lobe. Mase efika lapho ashayelele until ingene and then axukuze. After that uzoba right. Ngeke uphinde uhluphe. Umuntu omnyama uzoyibuza ukuthi why were so many women lobotomized? Understand ukuthi umuntu wesifazane wayebonwa ngokuthi abe ne-depression, i-anxiety, i-postmortem mental illness, i-hysteria. And understand, wethatha isipikile eside uzosifaka directly through imbobo ehlweni izifike la kwi-frontal lobe. Once yangena la uzoxukuza axukuze until le section le yonke ihlukane na the rest of ingqondo, the rest of i-brain. Leyo nto yayibizwa ngelepotomy. Once le section yahlukana ne the rest of i-brain, ngokwabo babesebethi usulaphekile. Side effects of ilepotomy include personality changes, emotional flattening, awusenama emotions, yes, memory problems, awusakhumbuli kahle, loss of motivation, childlike behavior, poor judgment, sometimes uba nama-seizure, sometimes uba incognizant, uba i-vegetable, ikabishi.